Every fall, millions of gardeners make the same mistake. They bag up their fallen leaves, drag them to the curb, and watch as trucks haul away what might be the most powerful, free fertilizer nature gives us. If you've ever struggled with poor soil, expensive compost, or sluggish plant growth, it's time to rethink those so-called yard waste piles, because honestly, when handled correctly, leaves aren't trash, they're black gold in disguise. When leaves fall, they're not dying, they're recycling. Each leaf is a nutrient capsule, filled with trace minerals drawn up by trees during the growing season. Calcium, magnesium, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, everything your soil craves is packed right in those crunchy autumn layers. When you toss them away, you're literally throwing out next season's fertility. But when you compost them, you create a slow-release, nutrient-dense organic matter that builds structure, boosts microbial life, and fuels long-term soil health. The best part? Leaf compost, often called leaf mold, doesn't just feed plants, it transforms soil texture. Heavy clay soils become soft and crumbly, sandy soils retain more water, and microbial populations explode, creating the perfect ecosystem for roots to thrive. Store compost often contains filler materials or has been overcooked, losing much of its microbial life. Leaf compost, on the other hand, is alive, teeming with beneficial fungi, bacteria, and organic acids. It's also sustainable. You're recycling your own organic waste, closing the nutrient loop in your garden, and because it's free, you can use it generously, as mulch, soil conditioner, or seed-starting mix. Many veteran gardeners swear by leaf mold as the missing piece in sustainable gardening. It's staden deicere de disitsir. What sivstadamos on that rich, forest-like smell and resilience. This fall, before you reach for the rake and trash bags, just stop and think. Every leaf is a natural fertilizer factory waiting to work for you. Instead of exporting nutrients off your property, keep them cycling through your soil. Your garden doesn't need another chemical fix or overpriced bag of compost. It needs the same thing nature uses, fallen leaves breaking down slowly, feeding life from the ground up. So don't throw away your next harvest. Start a leaf pile today, and let your garden thank you next season.